Greetings YouTubers, welcome to another video from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you my earnings or CPM rates, earnings per 1,000 views with monetized ads on YouTube. So here's from the last 90 days in 2024 from January to April. My average CPM is $17.81 across all my videos and views from all countries, and the top countries surprisingly is paying $71.50 per 1,000 ad views or views with ads from this small island right here, and the United States paying $47 per 1,000 ad views. So I think this one up here is an anomaly because I didn't get any views, it seems like right here. So I don't know why, or I don't know how I got a CPM rate at $71.50. Anyways, the second highest is Australia with almost $39, and another island $32.50. Again, no views listed, so maybe that's just some glitch. And the UK, of course, another high-paying English-speaking country with $32, and the rest are European countries and Canada among the top. And if you scroll all the way down, you see there's a limit of only 50 results. You have to download in an Excel file to see the rest of the countries, and I have downloaded right here, and I'll leave the link below for you to download my entire Excel file so you can see all of the other countries and how much they're paying for in CPM rates. So again, US at the top, and let's look for India all the way near the bottom, paying $3.44, and other Southeastern Asian countries right here all in the lower end of $3 CPM rates. So these are the newest CPM ad rates for my channel in 2024. My content is for webmasters, web design, WordPress, SEO, and things like that. So the ad rates are generally higher than most. So I hope this gives you some ideas. Thanks so much. Be sure to leave a comment if you want to see my other stats, and be sure to subscribe for more earning updates in the future. Thanks again, and until next time, happy YouTubing.